Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, once again, I'm Lindsay and I make new videos every single week from beauty, fashion, DIY. I do a lot of vlogging. But aside from that, so today I wanted to show you guys how I have been styling my newly shortened hair. What is going on with that piece right now? So I cut it off probably like 2 months ago. So it's actually grown out just a little bit, but this hairstyle is super quick and easy, and it kind of gives it a little bit of like a put together vibe, but not too done up. So if you want to know how I have been doing this and getting this quick little hairstyle, just keep watching. Okay, so I'll start off and I section my hair off, as you can see here. Do not use the clamp part, but I just use a regular like curling iron by Conair. And I always start with the front part going away from my face, and then I do every section the opposite direction. So I'll do away and then forward and then away and then forward. And like I said, if I'm doing the front sections, they're always away, no matter if I just did the opposite. Okay, and then I'm gonna start on the top section, and I do the exact same thing going all the way around. I don't do it any differently than I did on the bottom half, so it's super simple to do. And if you guys are wondering why I might look slightly different, because I actually filmed the tutorial part of this on a different day. So it actually came out better in the tutorial than it looks in the intro of the video. So oddly enough, I actually liked it better on this day. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened here, but then I just finger comb it through. And then I also take, if it's a little bit too curly looking for me, I will take my straightener and just lightly run over it, just to kind of relax it a little bit. And then my hair holds curl really well, so it lasts me like throughout all the night. And then afterwards, I'm going to take my hairspray and just kind of fan the hair out, which you guys can see me doing right here. Okay, now it's going to readjust itself. So that is how I style my short hair. Thank you guys for watching.